Hey everybody, Austin with Rambo Bikes here, and we have a really neat package right here. This actually comes from Wiley's Outdoors over in Alabama, and he sent us his motor that he's had for a while. And the reason he sent it to us is because his motor has over 11,000 miles on it. And the reason we wanted to see it was because, I mean, that's a crazy feat, but we also wanted to check out the inside of it because there's a little bit of thing going on right now talking about nylon gears and whether they're reliable or not. And so what we want to do is we're going to open this up. We're going to open up the motor itself and actually take a look on the inside to basically see what the nylon gears on the inside look like. So because of this, we will be able to have a little bit more of a better idea of how nylon gears are performing. And because there is a little bit of words going around right now about, you know, if they're reliable or not. So what we want to do is open it up here. So this is a Bafang HD motor. And so he's had it for a while. Obviously it looks like it's been run pretty good. But what we want to do is actually open up the inside and take a look at those nylon gears to see how well this has been performing. All right, so here we have our nice motor display. We use this for shows, but we've gone ahead and kind of jimmy rigged it with the 11,000 miles motor right here. So again, this is a Bafang HD motor. Like I said, normally we have two fresh motors here to kind of show the differences, but we got it jimmy rigged onto here, and here is the LCD. So if you look closely here, you can see that it's got 11,090 miles on this motor. So that way we can show that it, how many miles it does have. And if we go ahead and turn it up here, we can actually test it. See, so that way we can see that it actually still is running at 11,000 miles, which is pretty crazy. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and open this up and take a look on the inside. All right, so now we have everything taken apart here so we can get a better look on the inside. So overall, on some of the parts here, I mean, everything looks pretty clean, especially, so again, this is a 2017 Bafang HD motor with 11,000 miles. And I mean, for 11,000 miles, this isn't too bad. But the main thing we want to look at, again, is the nylon gears, which are right here. So if we take a look, we can see the nylon gear on the inside right here. And that looks pretty darn good after 11,000 miles. This almost looks brand new right here. So this is basically just to show, again, we want to thank again Wiley's Outdoors for sending this to us, being able to get a chance to actually see a motor with this amount of mileage to actually get a good verification on how the nylon gears are performing. And there's really good things for both steel and nylon gears. But the nylon gears, what's really nice about those is that they are the most quiet. So that's really nice. So again, if that's a key factor you're going for, nylon gears are definitely still going to work for you just fine.